It's just a really nice community where you can feel like yourself and practice new things without fear of judgment.
It's unexpectedly varied. Like, I thought lots and lots of different kinds of hooping, but it isn't just hooping, it's conversations, it was massage for me, it was photos, it was workshops that were fascinating, like, yeah, variety.
You can come from any hoop background or hoop level, and everything is at your own pace and can be full of excitement and lots of activity, or just super chill and relaxing.
I love hula hooping. I want to meet some hula hooping friends.